Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. I am Polar Bear Ed. So today's episode, we are going to make creamy beef and rice skillet. It's just a recipe that I come up with that I think tastes good, feeds the whole family, and it's budget friendly. So stick around and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, start this recipe here out. We're going to start out with the finest, highest quality tube ground beef we can get. So we're going to set that at about a medium high. We're going to brown this up. Get it broke up a little bit here. And like I said, this is the only the finest of the pre-packaged tube hamburger you can buy. So, you know, but it'll be alright because we're going to season this up and, you know, it'll be great. So we're going to add a little bit of pepper. A little bit of pepper there. Get our cover here. We'll need some onion powder and some garlic powder here. Get this all started up. So, alright. It's our onion powder, our garlic powder. Now we're going to throw a lid on her and let her cook. So, let me get this browned up and we'll bring y'all right back. Alright y'all, this stuff's browning up really nicely. Of course there's a lot of liquid in this high quality, highest of quality meat. So, but when you're on a budget, you do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? So, alright. Get that kind of broke up into some nice little morsels. Alright. Now, we're going to add 2 cans of mushrooms. Drain the liquid off first. Did you guys see that one escape? I don't know where it went. They said, I'm out of here. Y'all ain't eating me. So, alright. There's our two cans of mushrooms. Get them down in there. Some big pieces, brothers. Alright. Okay, we're going to throw the lid back on her and let her finish getting that meat all browned up, and then we'll move on to the next step. So y'all chill and we'll be back. Alright y'all, got our beef all nice and browned up here, so I'm going to dump this out on some paper towels, get rid of some of that grease and stuff. And then we'll throw her back in the skillet and mix up the rest of the recipe. Alright y'all, we got the beef all drained off here. Got our heat turned down. So now we're going to add our long grain wild rice. I use these little heat and serve microwave 90-second things. Get them all in there. Get that all mixed up in there. Now you can cut the rice in half if you don't want it as ricey, but you know, I like it. It makes the meal go further. So, alright. Got that all mixed up in there. Now we got a can of cream of mushroom soup, which we're going to dump in there. I need my spatula. Get all that goodness out of there. And then I use just a little bit of either vegetable broth or beef broth just to kind of rinse the can out. Maybe a third of a can. Now, like I said, that's just to rinse the can out. That's a little bit of liquid going there. Alright. Now, get that all mixed up in there. And if you want it a little creamier, you can add 2 cans. I find 1 can is just about perfect. Just kind of a binder and just the right creaminess. So, get this all mixed up in there. Oh, a little escaping there, no big deal. Alright. Looks like we got her pretty well mixed up. Got to keep it in the pan though. Alright. That looks pretty good. Now, we're just going to let this simmer and cook for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. Just let all them flavors mingle and get familiar with one another, and then we're ready to eat. So let me get this warmed up and we're ready to go. Alright, y'all, we got our beefy, our creamy beef and rice mixture all warmed up here. So just give her a little toss to get her mixed up even a little better. So alright, smells delicious. We're going to scoop some out and we're going to do our little taste test here. So hopefully you guys can see. Hope you're not getting steamed out. So alright, let's do our taste test. Alright, y'all, it's what you've been waiting for. It's for the taste test. And you know, we got our nice little spoonful here. So hot but good. So that's real good. So there you have it, creamy beef and long grain and wild rice skillet. It's awesome. It's budget friendly, and as you can see, it makes a whole big skillet full, enough to feed the whole family. You know, maybe throw some vegetables or whatever you want with them. So you know, there you go. So appreciate y'all. Thank you for sticking around and hanging out and watching this video. Really do appreciate it, and hope you're going to try it. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, get all the notifications, everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, to tractor pulls, all that kind of stuff. And hit that thumbs up button down there. That's what helps support the channel. It's the best way to support the channel for right now. But yeah, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.